Hello friends, in this video we will see how does a proximity sensor or IR sensor or touchless doorbell work. Before going to start, if you are new to DPP technology, then please subscribe to our channel and please like and comment us. This is the circuit diagram of the proximity sensor that we have made. Here we are using an IR transmitter and an IR receiver LED. We can see that the positive terminal of the transmitter is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and the negative terminal of the IR transmitter is connected to the ground through a 220 ohm resistor. The 220 ohm resistor is used to limit the current to protect the IR transmitter from being damaged. So the transmitter will transmit IR signal continuously. When we bring any object like our hand in front of the transmitter, the IR rays transmitted by the transmitter is reflected by the object and the rays falls on the IR receiver. The IR receiver is one type of photoresistor. A photoresistor is a one type of resistor. If light of suitable frequency falls on it, its resistance decreases. So in this case, when IR rays falls on it, its resistance decreases. So current will flow through it and voltage is generated across 10K resistor. Since the IR receiver is connected to pin number 3 of the IC, so the IC will get a voltage at pin number 3. LM35 is used as a comparator IC in this circuit. It will compare the voltage available in its pin number 2 and 3. If voltage of the pin number 2 is more than the voltage of pin number 3, then it will give no output or zero output. Pin number 2 is connected to the positive terminal of the 9V battery through a 20K potentiometer. So when the IR receiver will not get any IR rays on it, then the voltage of pin number 2 will be more than the voltage of pin number 3 because IR receiver acts as a high resistor in this case. So current cannot flow through it. So pin number 3 will get 0 voltage at that time. But when we keep our hand or any object in front of the IR transmitter, then the reflected ray will fall on the IR receiver. So pin number 3 of the IC will get more voltage than that of pin number 2. So the output will be high. Since the output is directly connected to the buzzer, so buzzer will be turned on. Thus we will get the sound. Please don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you for watching this video.